Hello, Future Millionaire. Today we just left the office and now on the way to a crypto meeting. And thanks to Hayden Otto from Townsville, he has set up a special meetup just for the Bitcoin Cash people here in Brisbane area. And I'm very curious about what he has to present. Also, I want to take the opportunity to buy some Bitcoin Cash in person as well, because I ran out of funds that I can give away, and I would like to usually have like $100, $200 in my phone to give away whoever wants to some free money. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't even want free money, so we'll see. And I'm definitely looking forward to the event and give you guys a short look at how the Brisbane city living area look like. I live about an hour away from here, so the biggest complaint I have is the parking is damn expensive, and I can't pay for anything in Bitcoin Cash for parking. Maybe in a few years' time this will be different. All right, continue the video when we get there. See ya.
I just wanted to demonstrate some of these tools to you guys today. You might not be aware of them, you may be aware of them. I'll show you how it works and how easy and how simple it is to use. And these are really great for keeping your transactions private. Basically, whatever you do is your business only, it's no one else's. So also obfuscating the origin of funds is really important, because there are companies that are specializing in doing things like blockchain analysis, and they are able to work out where funds are coming from, and also link Bitcoin wallets to certain identities and things like that. And this is mainly coming from the places where people are verifying their identity on exchanges and stuff like that, because all that data is shared with certain government agencies and probably other entities as well. Well, yeah, you might find some people here that are like looking to buy some or offload some at Bitcoin meetups and stuff as well. So yeah, that's another option.
There's a lot of buyers.
There's
a lot of buyers. If you've got Bitcoin Cash or converted to, there's a lot of people who want to buy. I've done Bitcoin.
Yeah, I came here with cash. I want to buy some Bitcoin Cash tonight. I was hoping someone saw me.
Great trades before for cash.
Yeah.
It was kind of scary, but watching you like the first one.
If it was the briefcase.
So that's it.
Oh, thanks, Hayden.
Yeah, no worries.
So when you
All right, that was the Bitcoin Cash meetup with Hayden Otto. Very interesting. See you in the next video.